In this video we will look at the output options. As you can see here, we have a pretty well completed document set, and now we're ready to output this document set. Two of the more common ways would be to export DXF or PDF. Those are as simple as clicking on them, specifying a name and a path, and just clicking Save. You are given the option of doing all the drawings or specific drawings in that format. Another option would be to do it as PDF. Again, give it a name and a path. Again, select which sheets that you want to export. Click OK. And it has exported those. We can take a look at those. The DXF, obviously you'll bring that into a mechanical system. As you can see, it's each separate sheet here. The PDF is combined into one PDF document. We'll go ahead and open that up and take a look at it with the Acrobat Reader. Okay, and as you can see, here's all of our documents, and we can page through our documents. Another option would be to publish to the web. Now this doesn't necessarily have to be the internet. It can be an intranet, and it can be on your own servers internally so that people in your own group can access this data. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we'll open that back up again, and you'll notice now we have some HTML code along with this blueprint file and this CAB file. Those are the three items that are included when you do a publish to the web. So what I'm going to do now is just actually open this in Internet Explorer. We'll get the standard warning in Internet Explorer about ActiveX controls, so we'll just allow the content. And we have an ActiveX viewer that will actually allow you to view the data inside of a web browser. So again, here's our documents. We can go page to page here and see our documents. The one advantage of doing it this way over the DXF and the PDF is some of those intelligent links that we had in here are still maintained. For instance, if we click on a item in our parts list, it will actually bring up that location and show us those items on our PCB views. We've hyperlinked to a parts list, so we can click on that and it'll take us right to the parts list. So all the hyperlinks are maintained if you do the publish to the web option. The last option we want to look at here is to pack and release. So I'm just going to quickly run through the options here. You can choose which files. You don't have to send all the files. And here's the option to include the free viewer. You can even time these if you want to, say that it would work for a certain number of days, and then after that certain number of days that they would not be able to access this data. That would be more in the quoting stage that you would do something like that. And then hit next and finish. And what it does is it actually creates an executable that you can run to launch the free viewer, as well as all the files that are associated with it will be loaded into that free viewer. Okay, and as we saw before, you can go to the various documents. The hyperlinks will still work in here as well, and you have access to all the information that was included in that particular release package that you created. And of course, any of these documents that are in this release package document set can be printed out or saved off separately as well. So that's how outputs, standard outputs, work